Welcome to your sunset beach flow. As the sun begins to melt into the horizon, let this practice be a moment to slow down, to release the day, and reconnect with yourself. Find a comfortable seat on the sand or on the ground. Close your eyes, rest your hands on your knees, and take a long, slow inhale. And exhale fully. Feel the ocean breeze brush your skin. Let everything that happened today drift away with the tide. We'll begin with some neck rolls and shoulder opener. Drop your right ear towards your right shoulder and gently roll your chin across your chest to the left. Move slowly, intentionally. Release any tension in the neck. This relieves tension from the upper body and promotes deep relaxation. We'll move to a cat-cow. Come on all. We'll move to a cat-cow. Come onto all fours with your wrist under your shoulders and your knees under hips. Inhale, lift your heart and tailbone towards the sky. Inhale, lift your heart and tailbone towards the sky. Cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, press into the sand. Cat pose. Flow with your breath. Imagine the movement of the waves through your spine. This restores the spinal mobility and releases tightness from sitting or standing. We'll come to a low lunge and a quad stretch. Step your right foot forward between your hands. Lower your back gently into the sand and lift your chest. Switch sides when ready. This opens tight hips. Come to a half split. From your lunge, shift your hips back so your front leg straightens. Flex your front toes towards your face. Lengthen your spine as you inhale and fold forward as you exhale. Keep your hands grounded into the sand for balance. This stretches hamstrings and calms the nervous system through steady breath. we'll move to a seated fold. Sit tall with your legs extended long in front of you. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hinge from your hips and fold forward, letting your head hang heavy. Allow your spine to round naturally and breathe into your back body. This soothes the mind and stretches the entire posteriority chain of the body. We'll come to a supine twist. Hug your knees into your chest and let them fall over to one side. Extend your opposite arms out and gaze toward. Switch sides when ready. This detoxes the body and relieves tension through the spine. Raise your legs up to the sky. You can scoot close to a wall if you have a surface to place your legs up against a wall. Let your breath slow down, feeling gravity to do the work. Watch the colors of the sky shift as your body softens. This will improve circulation, deeply calm the mind and the nervous system. And we'll move slowly into Savasana. Gently lower your legs and stretch out long on your back. Allow your feet to open wide. Allow your feet to fall open, palms facing towards the sky. The air is cooler now. Breath in the salty breeze. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat echoing the rhythm of the waves. Feel how you are being held, supported, and at peace. This integrates your practice and restores the body to stillness. Start to bring your awareness back to your breath, wiggle your fingers and your toes, and when you're ready, roll onto one side and come up to a seated position. Bring your hands to heart center and take a final breath in. Gratitude for your body, your practice, and this day. And as the sun set, remind yourself, and as the sun sets, remind yourself that every ending holds a quiet kind of beauty. Carry this peace with you into your evening. Namaste.